Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to make iMovie videos smaller or how to change the iMovie video size on an iPhone and on an iPad is the same thing. So if you appreciate me making this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below if you want to see more videos just like this. So what you want to do is select any project that you have, for example, this one. And when you go ahead and create it, I already have, it's a random project. You click done, you click on the share icon right here, and there you want to click on save video. But to make it smaller, you want to click on options. Make sure that it's saved in a lower resolution, maybe just HD, and it will update the file size and maybe 30 fps instead of 60. So right now it should be the file size when we click share should be higher than the file size if we just move it like this with 720p and 30 fps instead of 60. So if this video helped you out, give it a like. I want to see you next one. Bye.